Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to transfer your XRP from Uphold to your Ledger Nano S Plus in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, keeping your assets secure on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano S Plus is a game changer for peace of mind. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano S Plus is fully set up and updated. Download the latest Ledger Live app on your computer, connect your device via USB, and install the XRP app directly from the app catalog. This ensures everything runs smoothly and securely. Next, log into your Uphold account. Head over to your XRP wallet section. It's usually straightforward, but double-check for any updates in 2025's interface. Now, on your Ledger device, open the XRP app. You'll see your receiving address displayed on the screen. Never trust an address from anywhere else, as this is your key to safe transfers. Copy that address carefully. Back on Uphold, go to the withdrawal or send option for XRP. Paste in the address from your ledger, enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to select the correct network. XRP uses the XRP Ledger network, so verify that to avoid any issues. Before you hit confirm, take a deep breath and review everything. Crypto transactions are final, so check for typos or errors to prevent losing your funds. Once you're good, confirm the transfer and keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, verify the XRP has arrived in your ledger by checking the balance in Ledger Live. Awesome job! You've just secured your XRP. Remember, always stay vigilant with your private keys and consider transaction fees, which can vary. If you run into any hiccups, Ledger support or community forums are great resources. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.